Hello, good evening. Welcome to our channel, Jackpot with their base. For those of you who are just seeing this channel is all about providing you information on how you can jackpot to Portugal, to Austria, and other beautiful European countries where we believe that you are going to have a beautiful relocation experience. And today, I want to talk about an opportunity that I believe is very essential to all visa type, regardless of student visa, work visa, D7 visa, golden visa, different visa type. This opportunity is very essential to you because at one point or the other, when you relocate to your choosing country, you will want to engage in a professional activities. That means you will need to design your CV in such a way that it will be widely accepted across organizations in the global market, across firms in the global market. So you need to design your CV in a widely acceptable format. And in Europe, there is a particular method or ways in which your CV needs to be designed, needs to be compact, such that when an HR is reviewing your CV, they will be able to they will be able to see the point that highlight your skills. They will be able to find your CV so creative, so straight to the point, such that it will even enhance your chances of getting to the next stage of any position you want to apply to. That is why I want to talk about these opportunities. This website that you can use to design your CV in an acceptable and a widely acceptable format in Europe. So let me quickly share my screen to everybody. So now regarding the CV, so when you so it's advised that you use a computer. So this is the website that you can use to design your CV in a widely acceptable format in the European Union market. So the name of the website is europass.eu/europass/en. So when you go to this website, like I said, it's advised you use a computer. That way you will be able to have a whole, I have a very, very good format in terms of the layout of the CV and, be able to, design the CV in such a way that you will understand what your design is. So when you go to this website, it is advised that you register with this website. The idea is when you register, if you can easily save your information on your profile, so that even if you cannot finish the whole designing of the CV at a go, you can easily come back to it. That is the beauty of registering with them, so that you have a profile. So if at some point you want to use your smartphone to just quickly edit an information and download it again to quickly use for a particular job position, that is why it is very advised. It is very good for you to have a profile, so that you'll be able to always at every point in time log into your profile. So I have already registered, so that is why you are seeing these informations like this. So when you enter the website on this place, you can easily scroll down and look for the registration link, or the link which will take you to their registration portal. And of course, you can put your email and other necessary information as required by the website. So I'm already logged in. So that's why you are seeing me and so you see me, and so that's because I'm already logged in. So these are the information that are on the website. So the things you can do there: create your EUROPASS CV, create cover letter, test your digital skills. So, but we want to talk about designing a CV today. So, which means this is the point that is very essential to us. But depending on the type of position you want to apply to, it's always also advised that you create a cover letter, which means at your free time, you can also use this website to design a cover letter for your CV. So let's just, talk about creating an EUROPASS CV today. So once I click on this to, open it in a new tab, this is what we come out for me. You will see resume last CV, which means I already have a profile or a CV that I was working on with them, so I can easily resume and continue from there. So, or I can start from my profile, which means you can create a profile where you will load all the necessary skills, educations, certifications, and every skills into your profile. You can select from your library. You can even import an EUROPASS CV for further editing, or you can create a new CV. So which means if you don't want to register with them, you just want to quickly use their website to design a CV, you can just quickly come to this place and click on create new CV. So I'm not going to click on resume last CV. I'm just going to click on resume a new one. So when you come to this place, you can select the language. This is the landing page. Once you click on create a new CV, so you select the language, you select the date format, the date format, and then you can go ahead. So let's say, I mean, you can also put a picture on the EUROPASS CV. So let me just quickly look for one of my very good picture. One of my very good picture. I think it is this one here. I like the picture. It's kind of fancy. So I can edit the picture like this and save it. I like it this way. So then personal information. So let me put my name. So Bimbo, and you can put your name and then about me. So what I'm just going to do is to load some information from my CV that I normally use. I'm just going to load my about me, some information from the about me session. I'm just going to load it and copy it and come and paste it here. Normally, I mean, everybody have a CV, but this is just going to make your CV to look fancy. So instead of the usual ways or the usual method in which, and there are many formats of CV design that you can adopt in this place. So when we get there, you will see. So I copied the about me that I normally use. I copied it and pasted it there. Let me put my date of birth. So, so I am June. I'm June. So let me just select a year here so that you don't. So this guy is. Let me just put it. Let me just put 2000. That's my year. Then my gender is male. So let me select my nationality. I am Nigerian. So I'm a Nigerian. So let me my email. So let me put my email here and then my phone number. So I'm going to put it a mobile number so that employer will be able to know that anytime we call this number, we can easily reach this number. So and then the Portuguese number, you can just create a Portuguese, add your Portuguese number or any number that you want employer to be able to reach you on. You can add it here. So if you have a professional profile like LinkedIn is a professional profile where employers also go to either poach employee or source for employee information, prospective employee information, depending on the type of position that they want to employ. So I already have a link already in my CV, so I'm just going to copy it and paste it here. And then if you have any other one that you want to add, maybe an instant messaging, WhatsApp Messenger, or any other one that you feel will be very essential to you can add it here. So I think I'm okay with LinkedIn. So, and then I don't have any website to add. So address, let me add my home address. So and usually you don't need to really add all the full details of your address. You can just add only the postal code so that they know the city in which you are residing in. So I'm just going to put this like this. Then I'm going to select the country. So the country is Portugal. Then you can you can save it. So that is one section of the CV, the personal information. So now let's go to other section. Let's add another section. In here, you can select we have work experience, education and training, language skills, communication and interpersonal skills, conference seminars you have attended, creative works you have, hobby, interest. So it depends on the position you are applying to, your skill set, and all of those things. That is what will determine what section you will select here. So let me go with work experience. Let me add work experience. So currently, based on my CV, my current position is customer service advisor. Customer service advisor. So let me add that there, and let me just put it there that it is hybrid, so that they'll know the kind of experience that I have. So I'm going to put Manpower Portugal. So the name of the company is Manpower Portugal, and it is in Braga. So I'm going to write Braga, and the country is Portugal. You put it there. And so from when did I start with these people? So I think we started training these dates. I'm not sure, but I know the month is March of this year. And then since I'm still with them, that's why I'm not going to feel the ending time for this position. I'm still with them. So I'm just going to put the position is still ongoing. Then I can easily go to my cover letter, to my CV, since I already have the position drafted in there, and copy the responsibility and job description, paste it here. This is what this position is meant for. So main activities and responsibility you do with the company. That is what you are supposed to paste in here. So let me delete what their sample looks like. So this is my own. So then I can save it. And of course, if you want to add another work experience, you can click add work experience here. So as many as work experience you have, you can, keep on adding them and adding them. Yes, let me quickly pause here. So if you have not followed, you are watching this informations, you are watching us, and you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe information. Sorry, click on the subscribe button. It's very important. That's how YouTube don't disengage our channel. That is how they see that our channel is providing relevant information to people out there. So please help us to subscribe. Yes, so let me continue. So if you want to add other experience, you continue. Then if you want to add another session, so let's say I want to add, education and training. So let's say I want to add that. So a session for education. So let's say BSc, let me add my BSc education. There are many education that I have, but just for the purpose of this, and I don't want this video to be too lengthy, let me just add only one educational training there, and I'm going to put Osun State. I'm going to put the name of the university there, Osun State University, and I'm just going to put the website there. So I'm just going to, because I've already done this before, so that's why it's suggesting it for me. So the name of the website is the name of the website of the school. You put it there, and the city is Oshogbo. Let me put it there, and the country is Nigeria. So I search for Nigeria here. I put it there. Search for Nigeria here, and I put, and then when did you start this education? I'm not sure of the date, but let me just put something there since it's a compulsory field, but I know the month. So, and then that will be 2009, and we finished. I can't remember the date again, but let me just put something here, and but I know the month, the month we finished the BSc program and the year. I also know that as well. Then you can save. So. And then, so that is that. So if you have any other field that is very important to you, maybe you have a volunteering opportunity, that is even a very essential session that you need to have. If you have it, volunteering is always very seen as a very good section in CV, especially in Europe. In Africa, it might not, employers might not really pay attention to it, but in in Europe, they kind of see it as a very important section, and sometimes they use it to decide on either giving a position to a particular candidate. So a voluntary session, if you have publications, if you have projects, if you have any management and leadership skills or training, network and membership, so this has different hobbies and interests. So honors and award, driving license, creative works, conference and seminar. So this is very detailed in terms of different sections that you can add, but because of this CV. I'm just going to stop on education and training. So I've added one experience, I've added one education. So let me say that I'm done here. Let's move forward to the next phase. Let's assume every session you wanted to add, you've added them, and then let's move to the next phase here. Now, this is where you can choose the format in which you want the CV to look like. So this is one of the formats you see here. It's already ticked. So this is how the format looks like. And then if you don't like this format, let's say you scroll down and you kind of you are not feeling the way it looks like, you can come here and look at another format. This is another format here. It's showing my picture by the side, personal informations by the side, my address, I think I like this. Like this, it shows about me. It shows the website I used to design it, and my work experience is there. Okay, I think I like this. Or maybe let's check another one. And let's check another one. No, I think I prefer this. Left to me, I will prefer it, but there are about 4 formats in there that you can select. Now, let's say you like this format, but you are not feeling that color. So you can come here and let's look at one color here. You see, you can come here and change the color to this. Okay, I think green kind of look a little professional. My own professional opinion. Or is it purple? Let's say this color. Okay, let's go with this color. Then you can also look at the text size. Is this text size quite visible or readable for anybody? And I think I can easily read what is on here. So I'm going to leave the text size to be like that. Now, another point is here, the Europa logo that you're seeing here. This logo that you're seeing here, do you want to be seeing it there, or do you want to get rid of it so that employer don't kind of, especially because a lot of people are using this site and you don't want employer to, know your trick, how your CV is so cute like this. So you can just come here and I don't want EUROPASS CV to be showing here. So I'm going to take it out. So you see, the minute I click on no, I don't want the logo to show, you see, it's no longer showing. So if you want, you can show it there. Or if you want to only see it on the first page only or every page, it's now your choice. You can click on seeing it on every page or no page at all. Then do you want to number the page? If you have many pages, you can number the page, so that page 1, page 2, you can number them. But I think I'm okay with this option. And if you want to add a closing statement, you can add a closing statement. Don't forget, yes, you like and subscribe to this channel, since this information is very important to you. If you have made it to this session, that means this information is very important to you. And if you have not followed or like or subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the like button. Yes, thank you very much. So let's continue. Now, add closing statement. Add closing statement. So if you have any closing statement, is it like a summary or like a concluding statement of your CV that you want to add? You can, something fancy that you feel might catch the attention of an employer. You can add it there, but I don't want to add any closing statement. So I'm just going to say, okay, we are done here. So, and we can click on next. So once you click on next, it will load, and then you will come to this landing page. You see the color we selected, the EUROPASS section, and as the EUROPASS session. So because I clicked on the fact that the logo should still be there, that is why it is still there. So now here, how do you want to save the CV? On your flash drive, on your hard disk, on your computer, or any device? So let me just save the CV as Beams CV. So let me save it like that. Immediately you can download it, or you can save it in your EUROPASS library, or you can save it in your or publish it on your EURES, which is the host of the website. So you can publish it there. So which means every time, at anywhere, on any device, you can easily access your CV that you have already published on your profile or on the host website. So so once you save it here, and then let's say I want to just download it, you can easily download. The minute you click on download, you can click on finish. You are done here. So that is all. That is everything. So you can either download, or just to preview it. Then when you are done with the preview, you go ahead to download or save it in your library so that you can easily access it anywhere, or you can just click on finish and you're done here. So, but if you're not comfortable with one or two information here, you can easily click on back, so that you can go to different phases of the editing of the CV to, either add more information or take out any information that you feel you don't want to be seen there. So that's that about how you design your CV to make it look professional, so regardless of student visa or any visa that you want to apply for, design your CV such that the person reviewing your document will see that, oh, this person really know what he or she is doing. So that is the information that we want to share with you again this evening, and we believe that you've really taken one or 2 points out there in designing your CV. Of course, if you have any questions, any comments, drop them on our comment section, and then follow us on all our social media. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you've made it to the end of this video. It's very important to us, and that is how the YouTube management see that our channel is passing out relevant information to the public. Thank you so much. Bye-bye now.